Fire has deep symbolic and spiritual significance in many cultures and religions around the world. It represents various elements and concepts, including transformation, purification, illumination, passion, energy, and the divine. Here are a few examples of how fire is connected to spirituality. Purification and cleansing. Fire is often associated with purification and cleansing rituals. Many spiritual practices use fire as a means to release negative energies or to purify oneself. By engaging with fire, individuals seek to cleanse their body, mind, and spirit. Transformation and renewal. Fire has the power to transform and transmute. It can turn wood into ashes, and from those ashes, new life can emerge. This symbolism is often associated with personal transformation and spiritual growth. Fire encourages individuals to let go of what no longer serves them and embrace change for renewal and rebirth. Illumination and enlightenment. Fire is a source of light and warmth, providing illumination in darkness. Spiritually, fire is seen as a metaphor for knowledge, wisdom, and enlightenment. It represents the spark of divine consciousness that illuminates our path and helps us find inner truth and understanding. Passion and energy. Fire is often linked to passion, desire, and the life force within us. It represents the intensity of emotions, creativity, and the vitality that drives us forward. Many spiritual traditions encourage individuals to embrace their passions and channel their energy toward positive endeavors. Rituals and ceremonies. Fire is a central element in various religious and spiritual rituals. Lighting candles, bonfires, or ceremonial fires is common in practices such as prayer, meditation, worship, and celebration. Fire acts as a focal point for spiritual connection, symbolizing the presence of the divine. Archetypal symbolism. Fire is often associated with archetypal figures such as the phoenix, a mythical bird that rises from its own ashes, representing transformation and resurrection. In many mythologies, gods and goddesses are depicted as beings of fire or associated with fire, signifying their power and divine nature. It's important to note that the specific symbolism and interpretations of fire in spirituality can vary across cultures, religions, and individual beliefs. Fire's spiritual significance is subjective and can be explored and understood in various ways based on one's personal experiences and cultural context.